Hello and welcome back. Today I am sharing some simple but effective cucumber tips that will make your cucumbers greener, easier to digest, and much tastier. Whether you love cucumbers in salads, sandwiches, or as a refreshing snack, these quick tricks will help you get the most out of them. To give sliced cucumber a vibrant green color and to reduce that heavy-feeling cucumbers sometimes cause, try this method. Plunge the slices into boiling water, bring them just back to the boil, then immediately strain off the hot water. Quickly replace it with cold water, drain, and pat dry with a clean towel. This simple step makes cucumber look fresher and keeps it lighter on the stomach. Another way to make cucumbers easier to digest is by using a little salt. After slicing, sprinkle the cucumber with salt and leave it to drain in a colander. It is actually the water inside cucumbers that can cause indigestion. By drawing out this liquid with salt, you make them gentler on digestion and even crunchier. Here are a few more quick cucumber hacks. If you want cucumbers to stay crisp in the fridge, wrap them in a paper towel and store them in a perforated bag. To reduce bitterness, cut off the stem end and rub it in a circular motion against a cucumber until a white froth appears, then rinse. This old kitchen trick really works. For hydration and skincare, do not throw away the peel. It is full of antioxidants and can be used to refresh tired eyes or even as a natural facial toner. And finally, when serving cucumbers in salads, add a squeeze of lemon juice or vinegar. This not only boosts flavor, but also helps with digestion. So there you go. Simple tips to make cucumbers tastier, greener, and easier on your stomach. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy kitchen and household tips, and share it with someone who loves fresh cucumbers. Thanks for watching.